Hello everyone. Next we will study chapter 8, which is numbers from 21 to 50. In this chapter we will learn about ones and tens. So in this diagram we can see there are few matchsticks. So here we can see there is a bundle and here there are some loose matchsticks. Let us count the total number of matchsticks. So this is a bundle of 10. Here in this bundle there are 10 matchsticks. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loose matchsticks. So this is a bundle of 10. So here we write 1, 10 because there are 10 matchsticks here. So here we write 1, 10. And here there are 8 loose matchsticks. So here we write 8 ones. This means 8 loose matchsticks. So in total if we count, here it is 10 and here it is 8. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now how do we count 18? So here we know it is 10. From here we will start. So after 10 comes 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So finally we get 18. Next let us see here. So here this is a bundle of 10. So here we write 110 which is equal to 10 matchsticks and here there are some loose matchsticks. Let us count the number of loose matchsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here there are 5 loose matchsticks. So we write 5 ones. So in total how many matchsticks are here? It is 110 which is equal to 10 plus 5 ones which is equal to 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to how much? So let us count and see it is equal to how much. Here we know it is 10. So the number which comes after 10 is 11. We will count from 11. So this is 10, this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So finally the total number of matchsticks is 15. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Let us see the next question. Let us count the number of matchsticks here. So here again there is a bundle of 10. So we write here 110 which means this is equal to 10 matchsticks. And now the number of loose matchsticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 loose matchsticks. So we write 6 ones. So finally total number of matchsticks is 110 plus 6 ones. Now 110 is equal to 10 plus 6 ones is equal to 6. So 10 plus 6 is equal to how much? Again we will start counting from 11. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So finally we get total number of matchsticks here as 16. Let us go ahead. Next is write the number, draw the bundles and ones. So first, as the first example here it is shown for us, it is written in tens and ones. So 10 is the number of bundles, ones is the number of loose matchsticks. So in this diagram we can see there is one bundle of 10. So in tens place we write 1. Number of loose matchsticks are 4. So they have written here 4. Similarly here we have to draw the bundles and the number of loose matchsticks. So here 10 is 1. And ones is 5, means we have to draw one bundle of 10 and 5 loose matchsticks. So we need to draw first a bundle of 10 matchsticks. So let us draw. So this is a bundle which contains 10 matchsticks. So this is equal to a 10 and then we need to draw 5 loose matchsticks. So let us quickly do that. So this is 110 and 5 ones. In total it is 15. So next let us see. Here there is one bundle of 10 matchsticks. So what we will write here? In the tens column we will write 1 because there is only one bundle here. And the loose matchsticks are 2. So it is 1 10 and 2 ones. So in total it is how much? It is equal to 12. Here it is 2 tens and 0 ones. So how many bundles of matchsticks we need to draw? So here it is 2 tens, so we will draw 2 bundle of matchsticks, and it is 0 ones. So how many loose matchsticks we will draw? We will not draw anything because it is 0. So first we will draw one bundle of 10 match. So this is 1 10. Similarly, we need to draw one more 10. So these are 2 tens. Next, it is 0 ones, means 0 means there is nothing. There is no loose matchstick here, so we will not draw anything. Next, let us move to the next question. Here it is one bundle of 10, and here it is the loose matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 1 10 and 9 ones. So 1 10 and 9 ones, what is the total? It is 19. Similarly, here they have given 2 tens and 2 ones. So we have to draw 2 bundles of matchsticks and 2 loose matchsticks. So first of all, we will draw 2 bundles of matchsticks. So this is 1 10. These are 2 tens. And next it is 2 ones. So this is 1 1 and this is another one. So in total this becomes 2 tens and 2 ones, which is in total it is 22. Okay, next it is write the number. So first one is done for us. It is 2 tens and there are 5 loose matchsticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones is equal to 25. Now how it is equal to 25? 2 tens is equal to 20 plus 5 ones is equal to 5. In total it is how much? 20 plus 5. It is equal to 25. Similarly, here there are 3 bundles of matchsticks which is equal to 3 tens and 3 loose matchsticks which is equal to 3 ones. In total it is 33. So next question we need to do. Here it is 2 bundles of matchsticks which is equal to 2 tens, and then let us count the number of loose matchsticks. So it is 1, 2, 3 which is equal to 3 ones. So in tens place they have written 2 because there are 2 bundles. In ones place they have written 3. What is the total? Total is 23. Similarly, here we can see there are 4 bundles of matchsticks which is equal to 4 tens and 1 2. 2 loose matchsticks which is equal to 2 ones. So 4 tens and 2 ones is equal to finally 42. Next, here there are 2 bundles of matchsticks which is equal to 2 tens, and if we count the loose matchsticks it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 ones. In total it will be 26. Now how it is 26? So 2 tens is equal to 20 plus 6 ones is equal to 6. Finally 20 plus 6. From 20 if you count it will be, after 20 if you count 6 it will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So that is how we get 26 here. Similarly, in this question there are 4 bundles, so we will write 4 tens and the loose matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 6 ones. So finally the answer here is 46. Next, in this question here are 4 bundles of matchsticks, so it is 4 tens and the loose matchsticks here are 0. There are no loose matchsticks, so we will write here 0 ones. So the total answer here is, or the total number of matchsticks here is 40. Next, here there are 3 bundles, so we will write 3 tens and the loose matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So finally it is 7 ones. So the total number here we get is 37. Here if we count there are 3 bundles, so it is 3 tens, and if the loose matchsticks we count it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 ones. So the total number here we get is 39. Next, if you see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So 4 bundles means 4 tens and the number of loose matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, here the total number of ones is 6, so 6 ones. So the total answer here, or the total number of matchsticks here is 4 tens means 40 plus 6 ones means 6. 40 plus 6 is 46. Next is numbers from 21 to 40. So here there are 2 tens, means here the total number is equal to 20. 1 10 is equal to 10. 1 10 means there are 10 objects, 10 matchsticks there. So 2 tens means there will be 10 plus 10, 20 objects or 20 matchsticks. And here there is 1. So finally 20 plus 1. So 20 plus 1, finally we get equal to 21. Okay. Next is here there are 2 tens and 2 ones. So it is 22. 20 plus 2 is 22. Next here there are 2 tens. Here it will be 3 ones. So it will be 23. So here we need to draw 3 loose matchsticks. So this is 1. This is 2 and this is 3. Similarly, this is 2 tens and 4 ones. So this will be 24. Okay. The next here it is 2 tens and 5 ones. So what will be next? It will be 25. Next here is 2 tens and 6 ones. So 2 tens and 6 ones is equal to 26. Here we need to draw 6 loose matchsticks. So this is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, next comes 27. 27 is 2 tens and 7 ones. So here there are 2 bundles which is 2 tens. Here it will be 7 ones, means 7 loose matchsticks which is 27. So similarly here we will draw 7 loose matchsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let us see the next one. Next number is 28, which is 2 tens and 8 ones. So here how many loose matchsticks we will draw? We will draw 8 loose matchsticks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next comes 29, which is 2 tens and 9 ones. Next is 30. So 30 is equal to 2 tens and again 1 ten. So in total it is 3 tens. So 30 is equal to 3 tens. And how many ones? 0 ones. So 30 is equal to 3 tens and 0 ones. So there will be 3 bundles of matchsticks and loose matchsticks. We will not have any loose matchstick here. Next comes 31. So 31 means 3 tens and 1 loose matchstick. So 31. Next is 32. So 32 will be how much? 3 tens and 2 ones. Now 3 tens means again 3 bundles of matchsticks. So this is 1 and like this we need to draw 3 bundles. So students, if you have this book, please draw along with me. If you do not have this book, you can do it in your notebook. So this is 2, and this is 3. So this is equal to 3 tens and 2 ones. Next is 33, which is 3 tens and 3 ones. So next we need to draw 3 ones here. So this is 1 1, this is 2 1, this is 3 ones. So finally this is equal to 33. Next is 34. 34 is equal to 3 tens and 4 ones. So we have 3 bundles here and 4 loose matchsticks here. So this is 34. Next comes 35. 35 will be 3 tens and 5 ones, means 3 bundles and 5 loose matchsticks. So 5 loose matchsticks are already there. We need to draw 3 bundles here. So let us quickly do that. So here I have drawn 3 bundles of matchsticks and 5 loose matchsticks. So finally it will be 35. Next is 36. So 36 is 3 tens and 6 ones. Similarly here we have to draw 6 loose matchsticks. Let us do that. So here I have drawn 6 loose matchsticks. So finally it is 3 tens and 6 ones, which is equal to 36. Next is 37, which is 3 tens and 7 ones. So here there are 3 bundles and 7 loose matchsticks. So here we will write 37. Next is 38. Here there are 3 bundles of matchsticks. Each bundle contains 10 matchsticks and 8 ones, means 8 loose matchsticks. So here we have to draw 8 loose matchsticks. So here I have drawn 8 loose matchsticks, which is equal to 8 ones. Now next is 39, which is 3 tens and 9 ones. Similarly here you have to draw 9 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 9 loose matchsticks. Next is 40. 40 is 4 tens. Okay. So if you count, here there are 3 tens and here there is 1 10. In total it will be 4 tens. So how many ones will be here? 40 is equal to 4 tens and 0 ones. So 40 is equal to 4 tens and 0 ones. So here there are 4 tens and 0 ones, means 0 loose matchsticks, means here there are no loose matchsticks, only we will have 4 bundles of matchsticks. Next there are numbers from 41 to 50. So if we see, first is 41. 41 means 4 tens and 1 1. So 4 bundles of matchsticks and 1 loose matchstick. It is equal to 41. Next comes 42. 4 tens and 2 ones. Here we have 4 bundles of matchsticks. Here we need to draw 2 loose matchsticks. So let us quickly do that. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this is 42. Next comes 43. 43 is 4 tens and 3 ones. So here they have drawn 4 bundles and 3 loose matchsticks. Next comes 44. So 44 is equal to 4 tens and 4 ones. Here 4 loose matchsticks are already drawn. We need to draw 4 bundles here. So let us do that. So here I have drawn 4 tens. 44 is equal to 4 tens and 4 ones. Next is 45. 45 similarly it is equal to 4 tens, but this time 5 ones, means here we have to draw 5 loose matchsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 ones. Next is 46. 46 is 4 tens and 6 ones. Similarly here you need to draw 6 loose matchsticks. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 47. So here we need to write 46. So next is 47. 47 is 4 tens and 7 ones. So here there are 4 bundles and 7 loose matchsticks. Next is 48. 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. So here how many loose matchsticks we will draw? Correct, it is 8. So let us quickly do that. So here we have drawn 8 loose matchsticks. Next is 49, which is 4 tens and 9 ones. So here we will draw 4 bundles of matchsticks. Each bundle will contain 10 matchsticks. So this is 1. And similarly here we need to draw 3 more. So this is 2. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 tens and 9 ones, which is equal to 49. Next is 50. 50 means 5 tens. So here there are 4 tens, one more bundle of 10 comes in. So that is 1 10. So 4 10 plus 1 10 is equal to 5 tens. 5 10 is equal to 50. 5 10 is equal to 50. So 50 contains 5 tens and 0 ones. Next we have to write the missing numbers here. So this is starting from 1, then is 2, then comes 3, then is 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 comes 11. After 11 what comes? It is 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, after that 17, after that 18, after that 19, after that 20, after that 21, after that 22, after that 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, after that 28, next is 29, next is 30. So after 30 what comes, students? 31, next 32, next is 33, next comes 34, next comes 35, next comes 36, next comes 37, next is 38, after that 39, finally 40. After 40 comes 41, next is 42, after that is 43, next will be 44, next is 45, next is 46, next is 47, next is 48, next is 49, finally 50. After 50 what comes, let us see. So after 50 it is 51, next is 52, next is 53, next is 54, next is 55, next is 56, next is 57, next is 58, next is 59, and at last after 59 what it will come? It is 60. 60 is equal to how much? So 60 is equal to 6 tens and 0 ones. So after 59 it is 60. 60 is equal to 6 tens. Okay. Okay students, so this is chapter 8. Next we will meet in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you.